Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BibliU code in your Canvas course to access MyStatLab and or MyMathLab, depending on what you're doing. So I'm going to click on a statistics course so you can see how this works in a stats class, but it's the same for any math class. So in your course, somewhere will be instructions for how to register into MyStatLab or MyMathLab. So for me in this course, it's right here. It says MAT 133 online fall registration instructions. So I can right click and open that in a new tab. Or if you click on it, it'll open it in a window and then just say, hey, open this in a new browser window. And there you have it. You open in a new browser window. Now this has the instructions for how to register into MyMathLab or MyStatLab. And it says to register, go to this link. And this link has at the end of it your course ID. And that's different for every instructor and it's different for every course. So you have to pay close attention, or you can just click on the link that it gives you. And away you go. So there you have it. Now, when you get to this screen, it'll say, hey, do you have a sign-in already? Do you have a Pearson sign-in? Have you used MyLabs in another class, or have you logged into Pearson in another class? If you have, then you can just type in your username and password and click sign in. If you haven't, you'll need to create an account, and that'll need you to put in your email address, create a username, password, and all of that stuff for yourself. So once you have all that done, or even if you don't, I have it already made, then it'll ask you to sign in. So if you need to register, then go register, and then you'll create a sign in. And then it's saying, okay, you're good to go. This is your course. And then it'll ask you to pay for it. Oh, shoot. Unfortunately, I have I'm a faculty member, so it comes on through as a faculty for me. So when it asks for a pay for it code, it'll ask for that. It won't give you this window. It'll give you a, hey, pay for it window. And when it does that, what you'll want to do is go back to your screen in Canvas, and you'll click on this link here. So your instructor will have it listed as a BibliU code or something like that. And so then you'll click on that, and then it'll load the BibliU code in a new window. So you click on that, and you'll see a MyLab statistics. So you click on that link, and it should give you a code. Now, don't use mine because mine's not good. Mine's already used for somebody else. Everybody has their own code. Every single student has their own code in this. So you'll copy that code, and then you'll take it back to MyStatLab. And again, there'll be a window here, and it'll ask you for a code, and you'll be able to click on that access code and say, yep, here's my access code. So BibliU is giving you the access code. This is giving you the course ID. See where it says Tucky 95277? That's the course ID. So those are the two things you need in order to get it working. All right, I hope that helps.